If you're feeling overwhelmed and stressed by the challenges of everyday life, you're not alone. Stress affects millions in today's fast-paced world. But there's hope. In this video, we'll help you understand what stress really is and provide you with practical, actionable strategies to regain balance and live a more fulfilling life. So let's take this journey together and start turning things around. Welcome to Self-Craft Mastery, your guide to crafting your route to excellence. Let's start by understanding what stress truly means. Stress is our body's natural reaction to perceived threats or challenges. While some stress can be motivating, chronic stress can severely impact your physical and mental well-being. Common stress symptoms include physical signs: fatigue, headaches, muscle tension, digestive issues, and a weakened immune system. Emotional signs: anxiety, irritability, depression, difficulty concentrating, and insomnia. But where does stress come from? Let's explore some often overlooked contributors. 1. Digital overload. Constant use of digital devices keeps your brain overstimulated, making it hard to relax and recover from stress. For example, scrolling on your phone before bed can disrupt sleep, leaving you feeling more stressed the next day. Taking breaks from screens can help reset your nervous system. 2. Nutritional imbalances. Certain foods, like sugary snacks or too much caffeine, can worsen stress by spiking your energy and causing crashes. For instance, too much coffee can make you feel jittery and anxious. Eating balanced meals with whole foods helps keep stress levels in check. 3. Emotional echoes. Unresolved emotions from the past can make current stress feel worse. For example, past criticism may cause you to overreact to feedback at work. Processing these emotions through therapy or self-reflection can reduce their impact on present stress. 4. Circadian disruption. Irregular sleep patterns disrupt your natural rhythms, making you more sensitive to stress. For example, shift workers often feel more anxious due to inconsistent sleep. Keeping a regular bedtime routine can improve stress resilience. 5. Poor breathing habits. Shallow chest breathing signals stress to your body, even when it's not necessary. For example, during a tense meeting, shallow breathing can increase anxiety. Practicing deep abdominal breathing helps calm the body and reduce stress. Now, let's dive into some unique and effective solutions for each of these stressors. Number 1. Digital detox technique. Based on NLP, neuro-linguistic programming, try the screen-to-green method. Every time you check your phone, pause and focus on the nearest green object for 10 seconds. This practice helps your brain associate digital use with calmness. Number 2. Stress-busting smoothie. Rooted in vegan nutrition science, blend spinach, blueberries, and a tablespoon of ground flaxseed. This combination, rich in magnesium, antioxidants, and omega-3s, helps reduce cortisol levels and enhances stress resilience. Number 3. Emotional freedom technique, EFT, derived from acupressure principles. Use the butterfly hug method. Cross your arms over your chest, tapping alternately on each collarbone while thinking about a stressful situation. This bilateral stimulation aids in processing and releasing emotional stress. Number 4. Circadian Reset Ritual. Inspired by Zen practices and chronobiology, try the sunset salutation. At sunset, face west and perform a slow, mindful bow. This simple act helps realign your body's internal clock with natural light cycles, improving sleep quality and stress management. Number 5. Breath Alchemy. Combining yoga pranayama with modern CO2 tolerance training, practice the 4.7.8 breath boost. Inhale for 4 counts, hold for 7, and exhale for 8. Repeat for 4 rounds, 3 times a day. This technique increases CO2 tolerance, linked to better stress resilience and cognitive function. Remember, mastering stress isn't about eliminating it but transforming your relationship with it. By incorporating these techniques into your daily routine, you're not just managing stress, you're evolving beyond it. If you found these insights valuable, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Self-Craft Mastery for more unconventional wisdom to elevate your life. Until next time, breathe easy and stay curious.